up leisurely, and we're heading towards Wudinna. Beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous blue skies. Temperature outside currently 14 degrees, which is not too bad. We're sitting on the 100 k's now and just plodding along. Just saw a couple of fine looking horses on the biggest paddock you've ever seen, so that was a huge area. All small fences, so the horses have no trouble. Take a little bit of footage of as we go along. Place on the left, Terra up on the sides, and then they've done, well, it looked at initial looks as decoration, and it looks like where the paint's actually picked off the or there's been repairs done to the concrete. But church on the left, a little bit of in the middle of nowhere. Oh yes, we've got a telecom building and something over there too, which was a shed by the look of it.
Probably a shed in the shed.
Yeah, so lovely. And there goes the bird. A bit of decoration out the front of here. The Pildappa post office for sale, crab pots. Interesting little town, really. We'll take a bit of a drive around and just a bit of footage. You can see, looks to me, yeah, that salt damp in that one, which is a bit sad. Then you got the local swimming pool, footy club over there. Have no idea what goes where. Might even go down here and do a U-turn. Oh no, we can go back around. Now there's a camouflage fence over on the left. And what does that say? 4 kilometres to Pt.Willunga Hill. Lovely town. All satellite dishes. Very interesting. Lots of dead tyres over there. Dead cars over here, and a couple of harvesters. They're the long past harvesting. Maybe it was a business there, or hard to say. So that's how brakes work. So I need to actually turn back that way a bit.
What's wrong?
Oh, it's a little bit too set up too far. That was too far that way. Wow. Pull up the paint.
Alright.
places around here. Big. Playground over here. Lovely spot for kids. Pretty sure at the other end of the town it comes out. Big church here. Tower. Catholic church. What do we got? Pildappa Rock.
We'll go and have a look at it or not. We've been,
Yeah. Well, we should take a picture at least.
yeah.
Right, we've got plenty of time. Yeah. Wouldn't read about it. Okay. See, there's the Gawler Ranges. Something started with the mural. Some lovely little places that we've just visited. So we're going to head to Pildappa Rock. We stayed here several years ago, and since that time they no longer allow people to stop there. So I don't fully understand why. It's not, but more than likely there seems to be a mad push by most councils to eliminate camping, and which is a bit sad. And so there's a lot you can do here, and if you can't camp, well, people aren't going to make the effort. So the whole idea of we buy stuff from the locals, that helps their economy.
Didn't see any delis or anything there.
Yeah, there was one.
Oh, right.
A bit further down, you know, when we turned at the hotel, the next block down there was one. So deli would probably be the deli, the post office, you name it. Okay. Just through down to no fires in the open during the danger season. Penalties apply. Okay. Yeah, came round this corner. Look at that. Well, it certainly looks a little bit more well done. You can see where the water here on the edge.
Yeah.
Oh yes, well, the toilet is a bit more exacting. So last time I was way up there.
Yeah, barbecue. Now they put them down here.
Yeah. Yeah. You can drive out that way. So we were up there. That little road up there, which is now gone. Look at the Barbie. I like it. Okay. Well,
We'll get something out for tea, I think.
hey?
I think we better get something out for our tea.
Yeah. Yep.
That's something frozen, I suppose.
what better lunch spot than here?
Hmm.
Sort of road runs parallel with the highway, while we have some little village pasties.
Oh, you've got that fine.
So, was going to drive up that one, but it looks a bit muddy, so we'll enjoy this and then on our way again. Pasties, and we've got a lovely afternoon sun. Probably got about an hour and a half to get to Wudinna.